Afternoon, got my coffee, we got some new lighting, we'll give this a try. Today we're going to go over WordPress theme customization. Basically each theme within your WordPress, now that we've seen how to install them and set them up, is going to have a customized option which built into the core theme that you purchase or use with WordPress is going to be able to make a lot of the edits necessary to the foundational pieces of the website. So once you're into going from dashboard just down to themes, you're either once it's active, click the customize button here, or you could just navigate here to whichever active theme to start to customize it. So when you go into the customize tab, we'll go here. You're basically going to see just a quick overview of some of the features that come core to the theme. Now this is a pretty plain theme, and honestly this is a pretty old one. So just looking here on some of the sidebar settings, I mean, you can, everything from different links that are available, you can start to edit, as well as, oops, I clicked the wrong button. Going back into themes, a little bit slow today on the internet side here. 404 settings, form settings, your site identity. So we could do things like adding our logo right here. So why don't we upload a quick file. Here's a logo. And I'll just select that. I might have to move this real quick. And select that. Oops, and crop that. Basically what you can see it's done is it's just changed this logo up here so that we actually are seeing some of the changes to the core of the theme. So that's pretty popular in WordPress, and a lot of themes are going to have a lot of different edits. You can menus, background images, colors. This one might be a little harder to look at. Maybe we can go to one that's a little more built out, where here we have our WordPress themes, and we'll go into the one that's been selected and we'll go to customize. And we will be able to see some of the core changes we're able to make with the theme. So again, things like the site identity, which is going to be the logos, the copyright, the favicons, which are these icons up here. A lot of this stuff is done through the themes customization settings, as opposed to going into the CSS or the JavaScript or the HTML and making a lot of these changes manually. So it's always a good idea, guys, to look through the theme customization and see if you're able to make the changes necessary so that you're not putting in more work, because again, a lot of these WordPress themes are going to have a lot of these features built in. So experiment with them, play with them. Each theme's a little bit different. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Give a like, give a subscribe, that stuff helps, and then stick tuned for more tutorials coming soon.